In this video, I'll show you how to use the stock screener in Tradingview. First, sign in to your Tradingview account and open the platform. From the bottom panel of the chart or the main navigation menu, open the stock screener to access the list of available stocks and filtering tools. Next, choose the market or exchange you want to analyze. You can narrow your search by selecting a specific country, exchange, or group of stocks. Once you've selected the market, you'll see a table containing dozens of companies along with important data such as price, daily change, volume, market capitalization, and other key metrics. After that, start applying filters to narrow down your results. Click Filters and choose the criteria that match your trading or investing strategy. For example, you can filter by market capitalization, sector, price, trading volume, technical indicators, financial ratios, or performance over a selected period. As you add or remove filters, the list of stocks updates automatically, making it much easier to identify opportunities that meet your requirements. Now, customize the columns displayed in the screener by adding or removing the data points that matter most to you. You can also sort the results by clicking any column heading, allowing you to quickly rank stocks based on price change, volume, market cap, or other available metrics. If you plan to use the same filters regularly, save your screener configuration so you can load it again without repeating the setup. Finally, click on any stock in the results to open its full Tradingview chart for a more detailed analysis. From there, you can add indicators, draw trend lines, create alerts, or save the chart to your watch list before making any trading decisions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the stock screener in Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.